Here's how to make a difference in a child's life. Teach them real-world skills. Earn a degree in Family and Consumer Sciences Education Instruction at Fox Valley Technical College. This associate degree prepares you to teach middle and high school students career-focused subjects like culinary arts, baking, interior design, and child development. Earn the confidence and skills you need to teach these courses through K-12 practicum experiences. Students will learn to support diverse learners and manage today's modern classrooms. Students can pursue careers as middle or high school teachers, paraprofessionals, and before and after school educators. If you want to create and teach engaging classes, Family and Consumer Education is for you. Shape the next generation. Learn more about the program and how to apply at fvtc.edu/familyconsumered.